Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, we have a beautiful piece of sourdough bread. We're going to toast that, butter it. I've got those are 2 eggs. In a little saucepan, what we're going to do is come over here. We're going to fill this with water, like this, just to cover the eggs. All right, they're covered. All right, take this baby back. Oh yeah, don't spill it, Mike. Don't spill the water. We're going to bring these to a boil. All right. How you doing? Mike Foster here. This is soft-boiled eggs on toast. This is the easiest way to make soft-boiled eggs. You bring this to a boil. Oh, you guys have to stay tuned. I'll show you what I'm going to do next. Put that toast down. Get ready for, just delicious soft-boiled eggs on toast. I'll see you in a few minutes. All right, you see this? It just came up to a boil. It just came up. You shut it off and you cover it. That's what you do. And you set the timer for 6 minutes. That's it. That's it. That's how simple it is. That is how simple it is. 6 minutes, you're going to have perfect soft-boiled eggs. Once 6 minutes is up, I'll show you what I do next. All right, where are we at? Oh, there it is. 4, 3, 2. That baby's done. All right. So then you take this. Ooh, you're spilling water, Mike. Don't be an idiot. Okay. And you come over here and you stop it. Cold water. You're icing it. See that heat getting out of there? This camera could fog up in a second. And then you just run the cold water. Run the cold water non-stop. If you want to stop the cooking process. All right. So keep that running. So you're going to take this, you're going to butter this baby up. So that is going to be a big part of this delicious soft-boiled egg situation. All right, that's ready. Let's go get that egg. All right, here's the eggs. Easiest way, you go like this. They love the water, and it makes it peel. Look, see how easy that peels with the water on there? See that? Do you see it? Oh, center it, Mike, if you want them to see it. My goodness. So you're going to peel both these eggs, and when it gets a little stuck, like right here, although this one is peeling really nice, you just give a little more water. I soaked it in that water, and these are going to be nice soft-boiled eggs. They're going to look really good on there. Okay, I'll finish peeling this one, and I'll finish the other guy, and I'll meet you over at the toast to put this recipe together. Look how easy that is together. Oh yeah, just when he bragged, he broke a little piece off. There we go. Here's the eggs. Perfectly soft-boiled. You just smash them down like that. Look at that. Smash them down. You see, how could it be easier than that? Ready for another one? I am. Smash it down like that. Beautiful yolk. A little pepper. A little salt. Just 2 crunches of salt. That's your close-up also. Can't wait for a bite. There she be. Let's see how it tastes. Look at this big chunk of yolk right here. I can't wait. You got a big enough bite, Mike? Alright. Protein to start your day. Delicious sourdough, a little butter, salt, pepper. Can't be simpler than that. Simple recipe, very healthy for you. I showed you how to make soft-boiled eggs and just put it on a piece of toast like this. Oh, what? One more? Oh, you want one more? For more videos, I just check out Live Life 365 at YouTube. Tell people about it. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
eggs, huh? I'm not kidding. That's how you do it. You put your hand in there, check it out. I'm not kidding. I'm letting that run for a little while, and we're gonna just butter this toast while I do that. Hey, that's how I do things. Baba. Oh yeah, take that piece. Oh. It's all there. I only did it 6 minutes. I usually do them 8, and they're still not runny. Yeah, you make it runny. I don't know. Oh. 4 minutes? Putting all the fans back on. My sauce lady. Sweet bubble. So what's going on? How's people doing in this thing? A lot of people are like, this pandemic is fake. I don't think it's real. I'm gonna go back to my regular stuff. And guess what? It's spiking everywhere. Stay safe. Come on, guys, come on. Just stay inside. Eat eggs. Watch my videos. That's the safest thing you can do. I got over 1,000 of them. Check them out. Till next time, peace. But if you don't like eggs so much, don't watch my channel. That's crazy.